Yeah, it's a strong report. We continue to deliver strong result in the construction stream. We are at our target, if you look at the full year, 3.5%, and a very strong fourth quarter, 4.5%. On the project development, we can see signs of improvement. We're selling more apartments compared to last year. And the US market is just great. We can see strong order intake, and the order backlog right now is on record high level. So we are in a good shape, and financially strong cash flow. So the financially very, very strong.
Yeah, Anders, people don't think when they're looking at AI, who's going to build the data centers? Who's going to build all this stuff? Is it Skanska?
We're building a lot of data centers, and for many repeated clients. So that's definitely one sector we are strong in. We have good teams in place, and we are successful, and it's a good part of our order backlog as well.
So you've got great tailwinds from growth anyway. You've got great tailwinds from the technological revolution that is being led by the United States. Are you getting great tailwinds from the Trump administration? I know the comments back in November from you and your team were, yeah, look, lower taxes, it's going to benefit.
Yeah, yes, of course. We have the majority of our revenue in the construction stream, more than 50%, is in US, so that's good for us. And we also see that the infrastructure investments, we expect that to continue. We see a strong pipeline, and we are located in the right location, meaning where we expect the large infrastructure investment will take place in the future.
Anders, as we talk about the infrastructure build-out for AI, is it causing any market distortions as we see a lot of players rush into that space and the hyperscalers again fleshing out overnight their spend in AI? Do you see those distortions coming?
Yes, we see something we're looking at. There's a lot of, could be some scarcity of materials and also resources, but we are very careful before we sign up a contract within data centers and so on. So we need to have everything in place before we go for it.
Anders, what materials and resources could there be some scarcity in?
It could be scarcity of some material. We saw it during the pandemic. We saw it after the war broke out in Ukraine, steel, and that sort of normal that we need quite a lot of. But again, it's something we are very careful before we bid for a project. We secure the supply chain and otherwise, and also the resources, as I said, before we even bid for a project.
Fascinating, Anders, as we talk about industry-wide implications, though. Let me ask you about residential development, because you can see a step up in the January to March 2024 numbers here. Just explain what you're seeing in that area of the market and how uneven it is across the different areas you play in.
Yeah, our operation is mainly in Europe, in the Nordics, Central Europe, and we can see in Central Europe there has been a good market, stable market for some time now. And especially in Poland and Czech Republic, where we have our main operation. In the Nordic, it has been a slow market since for a few years now, but we can see during 2024 that the sales has picked up. We also see that we can start new projects as well. So, but it's from low levels. So I still think it will take some time before we're back to normal levels on that one.